Konnichiwa, minasan. Hello, traders. Uh, yeah, I hope you had a wonderful week. I think we had a little more activity in the markets last week, which was great. Uh, just a quick thought. Trading literally is for people who have money. If you are struggling to take care of your primary needs, it's going to be very difficult for you to stay within the markets and have a good trading psychology therein. And your primary job as a portfolio manager, as a trader, at first is to become consistently profitable. And that is a very, very difficult thing in this game in particular to do if you are quote unquote hungry. So, if you are in a position whereby you don't have a trading account with a sizable capital in it, you've got at least $1,000 that you can train yourself with, $1,000 that you can validate if whether or not you're consistently profitable in the markets with. It's going to be difficult for you. So what you need to do is get yourself a job. That's it. Get yourself a plain old simple job. I'm not saying don't trade at all, but you will start seeing a difference. If you've been in it for maybe 2 years and you're still not profitable, you'll see a difference once your primary needs are taken care of and you've got just, that small little bit of financial comfortability. You don't have to be very, very comfortable, but you know that there is something that's coming in on a monthly basis and you're not thinking, man, I need to trade so that I can pay for rent. I need to trade so that I can do this and that. If you start getting out of that mindset that I need to trade to make money because I already have money, then that makes all the difference with your psychology. So work as hard on trying to develop yourself in other ways so that you can get some kind of an income. And these days jobs are universal because there's remote work and all of that stuff, big opportunities. Work hard on that just as hard as you're working on your trading. Don't leave the trading. I'm not saying that at all. Work on that concurrently with something that will generate an income. And if you are working so that you can trade, every single month or every single week when you get that salary or wage, consider that a take profit. That's it. All right. So here we go. This is my top 3 for the week. This is just amazing price action for me. If you look at the higher time frames, which I won't get into, you'll see that it's really looking really, really good. And over here we've got this little ending structure 1 2 3 that we're looking at, and I'll pop just onto the 15-minute here. All I'm looking for is a 15-minute continuation. That's it. Very, very simple 15-minute continuation. So what I'll be looking for is for price to come into somewhat that area, and once we have this second bottom, I'll be very, very happy to the second top. I'll be very happy to put in an entry potential there around 20 pips. But then if we get the 1 2 3 here, I would look for my rejection candle and then get into this position in this way. So it's looking amazing, really, really good price action there that we're getting. Here's another one that I really like. So we've got this corrective. So the high time frames are superb here as well, and we've got this ending 3 touch, commitment to the downside, and this corrective type fall. But to me, this is not necessarily corrective type fall. This is just accumulation. This is price accumulating to drop to the downside. We've got the 2 touch there, and then price broke down, and then it created this running channel. And depending on your trading style, there was an opportunity for an entry, 5-minute entry in this area here. that you could have gone in and taken that, but that is not necessarily my style, although it is valid. I would be looking for this type price action. So if we get the 1, 2, 3 type price action in that area, I'd be looking for a entry right here at the top. I'm not looking to take a reduced risk type entry. I'm just looking for that one there at the top. And even though price is moving quite nicely, there is still that possibility right here of price moving back to the upside before it comes down. So I will just have it in this way for this coming week. Let's see how it goes. And then finally, we also have the Euro USD. What I'd be looking for here is for price to get back into this area and then give us a little bit of a continuation, and that is well within my trading plan to wait for that to then get an entry in these areas over there. However, another way of taking this, of which I won't be taking it, but it's well within other trading plans I do know, is if price comes down into this area to create a flag and then see itself to the downside. That is still an amazing position that can be taken. Very, very good. Otherwise, that's my top 3 for the week. I'll catch you again next week. Have an amazing week ahead.